All right, that was my pepper jack and my cream cheese. Now I'm gonna add a can of black beans and a can of corn, both drained. Next, I'm coming in with my Pace Mild salsa. That should be enough. We used about 3/4 of this jar. And for the meat, I'm choosing some shredded chicken that we got at Walmart, but you can use whatever meat you like. And we're just gonna put some of that right there on the side. Yum. We're not gonna use all that because that would be way too much. Just make sure we get that right into our aluminum pan. Now, the next thing we're gonna add is 8 ounces of sour cream. This is gonna be so easy, so delicious, kind of a, Southwestern take on a queso, but it's gonna be a thick dip, okay, you guys? It's gonna be super delicious, perfect for football, perfect for whatever game day that you have coming up. Now, we are gonna add this ranch dip mix. This is really gonna bring some great flavors to this Southwestern style dish, and I am only going to use half of this packet. You can save the other half to just mix with some sour cream. And then we're going to add some black pepper. Oh yeah, my oven is already ready and on for this super easy dip. I have some onion powder, and you can even add some fresh onions in here. You can add, some fresh garlic, whatever you like, just add it in. That's the best part about this dish. And of course, we're going to do some garlic powder. And we're just getting it nice and seasoned. Use whatever seasonings you like. Of course, we got to do some chili powder. Oh yeah, it's gonna be delicious, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go a little heavy-handed on the chili powder because that flavor is gonna be the best flavor out of all of these seasonings. Now we're gonna go ahead and get some lime juice in there. I just have my lime or my lemon squeezer. And that was a super juicy lime, so it makes it super easy to get that right in there. I think half a lime should be plenty of lime juice. Now, last but not least, I have my chives. And then I'm just gonna grab a few of these, and we are gonna cut some chives up right on top of this entire dish. Oh yeah. Now you could do some ground beef with this, you could do some chorizo, but I really feel like the chicken just really plays into that Southwestern style of dip that we are making here.
This looks so delicious.
Thank you.
And the picante smells good too.
Thank you so much. Okay, we're almost done here. Just get these last few little bits of chives in there. Beautiful. Add some great greenery. It's a little bit tastier than cilantro. And now we're gonna go ahead and bring our dish to the oven, and we're gonna bake it at 350 for about 40 minutes. All right, you guys, I actually left it in there for 1 hour. Ooh, and it looks like it melted beautifully. It is time to give this a mix and get everything. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Cheese, the beans, the corn, the salsa, the chicken. This is gonna be the best game day dip you've ever had. Oh, and it smells incredible, you guys. Just the most perfect Southwestern scents all in my nostrils. All right, we'll go ahead and get this nice and mixed. Oh my goodness, this looks so good, you guys. Now, because we got that corn, that chicken, all that goodness in there, you need some hefty scoopers. Only Fritos will do. And it is time to dig in. And I'll move over. I won't eat over the pan.
Thank you. Is it good?
I was unsure about that ranch seasoning, but it just adds the perfect, cool ranch flavor to it. This is incredible, you guys.